Very good afternoon, students. Very good afternoon to all of you.
Good
Good
morning, sir.
morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
We will learn about
Morning, sir.
joints. Yesterday we have learned about the skeleton system. Joint is a part of a skeleton system. We will learn about the joints. Okay, you will learn about joints. What are joints? What are joints? When two bones fuse, what are joints? What are joints? Let's answer. When two bone fuses, when two bones fuse, combine or meet, fuse, combine or meet, then joints are formed. ठीक है, जब दो बोन आपस में मिलता है तो joints form होता है. ठीक है, when two bones fuse, combine or meet, then joints are formed. I hope you have understood it. Have okay. Next, the end of each bone is covered by the tough, smooth, shiny substance that is called cartilage. ठीक है, cartilage. We will learn the three words: bone, ligament, tendon, and cartilage. Okay, we will learn the three things. First, we will learn about the cartilage. Right? We will learn about the cartilage. What is cartilage? What is cartilage? Right? So cartilage are the soft bones. These are the soft bones. What is cartilage? Cartilage is a soft bones. Answer. It is soft bone. It is soft bone. Right? It is soft bone which is found. ठीक है? Which is found at the end of bones. ठीक है? Cartilage. These are the soft bone found at the end of the bones. Okay, and it is responsible for the formation of joint. This is the soft bone which is found generally at the end of the bone. I hope it is clear to you. And next we have got the term that is ligament. Next term we have got the ligament. What is ligament? Its answer will be ligament is a connective tissue which connect bone to bone. Okay, ligament is a connective tissue which connects bone to bone. Okay, which connects bone to bone. Right. Next we have that is tendon. Next we have tendon. What is tendon? Okay, so its answer will be It is connective tissue which connect bone to muscles. This is called tendon. Okay, so I hope you have understood it, and this is the basic. These basic we must know before we start to learn about the joints. So we have altogether 230 movable and semi-movable joints. Okay, I hope now when we look to the book part, we have to study joint, we have to study cartilage that I have discussed here, and we have to discuss the ligament. We have to learn the tendon that I have given you. Simple clue is to learn this is that BMT. You learn the word. In order to learn, this is the GK GS question also. And in order to memorize these two, you must learn the two word BMT means bone muscles tendon. The connective tissue which connects bone to the muscles, it is called tendon. And accordingly, there is BBL, which connects bone to bone, B for bone, to bone connectivity is provided by the ligament. Okay, this is provided by the ligament. I hope you have understood it. So I hope you would have understood what is joints. Now we will see the types of joint. Now here we will study about the joints. Okay, let's see. You can see the students, you can see the childrens are moving. You would have seen that childrens were moving. They were performing some activity in which their body parts were moving. Okay, their body parts were moving. Either you do your yoga class, or you are in the playground, you are playing, you are reading, or you are writing. Your body parts move. Your body parts move. Right? Wait 1 minute. Also, in this, either you do exercises or you do yoga classes, either you are running. What you are doing here, what you can see in this three picture, what you are seeing in this picture, either the student, his elbow is moving. Okay, his elbow is moving. Here you can see knee is also bending. Here this part is bending. Okay, you can see, and here you can see leg has been stretched. Okay, so what you can see, whenever you do any work, you move the part of your body. Okay, what you do, you move a part of body. Okay, Sanya, what happened to you? Unmute yourself.
Sir,
हाँ, देखो, तो I hope it is clear to you. Now you see what you have done. The child is moving, or child either is doing exercise or is running. In all, he or she is moving his part of the body. Okay, so now proceed. See, when he is moving, okay, either he is running or he is moving. Why he is running? Why child is running? Why child was able to run? Yesterday I have asked you question that suppose your this elbow is not moving, what you will do? What would be the situation? Why we are able to do variety of work? हम लोग बहुत तरह के काम कर लेते हैं। अभी हम ऐसे हाथ उठा के एक्सरसाइज भी कर लेंगे, किक भी कर सकते हैं, जंप भी कर सकते हैं। Why we are able to do variety of job? Why we are able to do the variety of work? Because our body is flexible to move and bend. What will be it answer? Because our body is flexible towards movement and bending. ठीक है, तो हम लोग क्यों बहुत तरह का काम कर लेते हैं? क्योंकि हमारा बॉडी जो है it can move, it can bend, it is flexible towards movement, it is flexible towards bending. I hope you got it. So you can see in this now you can see what I have taught you is joint. This is fusion of two bones, meeting of two bones. This is joint. What you can see here, this is joint. Okay, this is a picture of joint. This is joint. Okay, this is joint. This is joint means two bones are meeting. Two bones are meeting. ठीक है, two bones are meeting here. This is joint. Okay, this is, I hope you got it. So why our body is flexible towards the movement and bending? It is only due to joints. अगर हमारे शरीर में ज्वाइंट नहीं रहेगा, यहाँ पर अगर ये मेरे सोल्जर में देखो, अगर यहाँ पर स्ट्रेट बोन रहता, एक ही बोन रहता यहाँ से यहाँ तक, अगर हमारे हाथ में यहाँ से यहाँ तक एक ही बोन रहता, दो बोन, एक बोन यहाँ है, एक बोन यहाँ है, दोनों बोन जुड़ा हुआ है यहाँ से, अगर एक बोन रहता तो हमारा हाथ ऐसे नहीं मुड़ता। So this is the joint which has made our body flexible towards movement, flexible towards bending. I hope you have understood it. I hope you got it. Next, you can see ये तीन पिक्चर यहाँ पर दिखाया जा रहा है, ठीक है? ये तीनों जगह पर तुम अपनी उंगली को, हाथ को रखो. You place your hand here. You will feel here that two bones are meeting here. You place your hand near the knee. You will feel here that two bones are meeting. You place your hand here. You will feel that two bones are meeting. Okay. I hope you did the same. Now joints. देखो यहां पर भी तुम हाथ रखे, देखे नो, देखो यहां हाथ रखे, यहां हाथ रखे, नी पर हाथ रखे, दिस इज ऑल्सो अ ज्वाइंट. यहां भी हमारा ज्वाइंट है, ये भी ज्वाइंट है, ये भी ज्वाइंट है, ये भी ज्वाइंट है. ठीक है, तो हमारे बॉडी में बहुत सारे ज्वाइंट हैं, बट सारे ज्वाइंट मूवेबल नहीं होते हैं, ठीक है। ऑल ज्वाइंट्स आर नॉट मूवेबल। कुछ ज्वाइंट तो पूरा मूवेबल है, फुल मूवेबल, कुछ ज्वाइंट थोड़ा मूवेबल है, कुछ ज्वाइंट बिल्कुल मूवेबल नहीं है। बात समझ में आ रहा होगा। सम ज्वाइंट्स आर प्री मूवेबल, पूरा मूवेबल है, ठीक है, फुल मूवेबल। सम ज्वाइंट्स आर little movable and some joints are not movable, okay. Well, we have to study here the two types of joints, that is movable joints, and we have to study here two types of joint. First one is immovable joint. Immovable, the joint which do not move, and movable joint, the joint which move. This is immovable, मतलब joint is not movable, and this one is movable. I hope you have understood. Based on the movability, joint is of two types: movable joint, non-movable joint. Okay. देखो यहाँ पर अभी बताए, ये हमारा स्कल. Yesterday I have taught you skull is made up of 8 flat bones. Skull कितने बोन से बना हुआ है? Skull is made up of 8 flat bones. Means 8 flat bone. Listen, I am writing here that a skull. You can see this is a skull. A skull is made up of 8 flat bone. 8 flat bone. Okay. Means 8 flat bone meet together in, means 8 bones meet together in a skull. Hence it is joint. But is this joint movable? Is this joint movable? Is the skull movable? A skull, if you wish to answer, you can raise your hand. Is a skull movable? You can raise your hand if anybody wishes to answer. 2 participants, 3 participants. Riya Ranjan, unmute yourself. Riya, Aditya Swarup, Sonali,
Yes.
and Mohit. Yes, tell me whether a skull is movable.
No, sir.
Yes.
A skull is movable? No, a skull is
No,
not.
sir.
Skull is not movable. Okay, I hope so. One of the example of the immovable joint, that is a skull. Okay, a skull is an example of immovable joint. I hope you have understood it. Next, let's see here. देखो यहाँ पर, ये सर यहाँ पर देखो लोकेट किया गया है. The picture has been located here of movable joint. This is a movable joint. This is also a movable joint. This is also a movable joint. This is movable joint. This is movable joint. This is movable joint. So this is the picture which, this is knee, this is movable joint. So all the pictures which you are seeing here, this is an example of movable joint. Okay, this is an example of movable joint. I hope it is clear to you. This is an example of movable joint. नाउ रिकॉल योर पिक्चर, इट इज हिंग ज्वाइंट। अभी जितने भी दिखाए ज्वाइंट्स, जो मूवेबल ज्वाइंट थे, वो मूवेबल ज्वाइंट कितने कितने टाइप्स के होते हैं? These movable joints are of 4 types. Movable joint are of, first one is hinge joint, second one is ball and socket joint, third one is pivot joint, fourth one is gliding joint. Let's learn about the hinge joint. हिंग, हिंग का मतलब होता है किवाड़ी का कब्जा। ठीक है, हिंग का, अपने घर के किवाड़ी के कब्जे को देखो, वो किवाड़ी कितना 180 डिग्री में ऐसे, तुम अपने इस हाथ को देखो, इतना ही खुलेगा। ठीक है, ये इतना ही, इसके आगे अगर हम चाहें कि और इधर जाए तो ये नहीं जा पाएगा। ठीक है, इट कैन ओपन, इट कैन मूव ओनली इन अ वन डायरेक्शन, बट यू सी दिस इज सोल्जर, इट कैन मूव round and round. It cannot move round, it can move, hinge joint can move only half, but when I am talking about this, it move round and round. Okay, round. Okay, so hinge joint move only in one plane, means in half, and ball and socket joint, it move completely in all directions in a 360 degree. Next is the pivot joint. Pivot, nut or bolt के जैसा, this is an example of pivot joint. Okay, it can move like this, up and down. Okay, so this is an example of pivot joint. And then is the gliding, एक के ऊपर एक, एक के ऊपर एक। ठीक है, मान लो एक, हम लोग पिट्टो खेलते थे बचपन में, तो या भी खेलते हैं हम लोग बॉल। ठीक है, एक के ऊपर एक को चढ़ाकर ऐसे ऐसे रख देते हैं। ठीक है, तो दिस इज ग्लिडिंग, एक के ऊपर एक अगर हड्डी चढ़ा हुआ है तो उसको हम लोग कहते हैं ग्लिडिंग ज्वाइंट। ठीक है, लेट मी रिवाइज यू once again, first about the hinge joint. ठीक है, first about the hinge joint. Okay, so hinge joint, it is like the hinge of the door. hinge मतलब दरवाजा का कब्जा। ठीक है, जैसे दरवाजा का कब्जा, वो पूरा नहीं खुलता है, वो इतना ही खुलेगा, ऐसे खुलेगा। ठीक है, वो गोला पूरा नहीं हो जाएगा। ठीक है, तो these joints are movable only in one plane, one direction. The example of these types of joint is elbow, knee, toe, finger, etc. Okay, I will show you in the picture. Okay, I will give you the work also. Today I will post the work, you will do it. Okay, the ball and socket joint. Okay, ball and socket, वो 360, वो पूरा घूमेगा, वो दरवाजे के जैसा इतना ही नहीं खुलेगा, वो पूरा खुल जाएगा ऐसे। ठीक है, कंप्लीट घूमेगा। ball and socket joint, example of ball and socket joint is, this is the soldier, this soldier. Okay, it can move in all the direction. The hip, this is also an example of ball and socket joint. Okay, then is the pivot joint, the type of joint found between the skull. This is a skull, this is my skull, and this is my backbone. The joint between a skull and the backbone, this is called pivot joint. Okay, pivot joint. Okay, it move up. We can move the pivot joint up and down, left and right. Okay, left and right. Okay, I hope you understood it. Okay, then is the gliding joint. Gliding joint, the kind of joint present in the wrist. It is present in the wrist. It is present in the wrist. I have shown you the picture of the wrist, and I have shown you the picture of the feet also. There also the gliding joint is present. Wrist, feet, and backbone is also example of gliding joint. ग्लीडिंग ज्वाइंट का मतलब छोटे छोटे हड्डियां जब एक के ऊपर एक चढ़ी हुई होती हैं तो उनको हम लोग क्या कहते हैं? वी कॉल इट ग्लीडिंग ज्वाइंट। ठीक है, इसको हम लोग कौन सा ज्वाइंट कहते हैं? ग्लीडिंग ज्वाइंट। आई होप यू वुड हैव अंडरस्टूड इट। लेट्स मूव फर्दर। ये चारों ज्वाइंट समझ में आ गया होगा। अब हम लोग आगे चलते हैं। सभी को एक एक करके हम लोग देखेंगे। देखो, इट इज अबाउट द हिंज ज्वाइंट। ये देख रहे हो स्टूडेंट्स? अभी देख रहे होगे यहाँ पर। अभी वो आदमी जो दौड़ रहा था तो कितना ऊपर नीचे, वो पूरे डायरेक्शन में गोला से नहीं घूम रहा है, ऊपर नीचे। ठीक है, फिर से एक बार देख लो, उसको समझ में आ जाएगा। ठीक है, लेट मी फर्स्ट क्लियर माय स्क्रीन। देखो यहाँ से जब ये आदमी दौड़ रहा है, ठीक है, यहाँ देखो, ये दरवाजे का कब्जा है। ठीक है, दरवाजे का कब्जा है। देखो, बस इतना ही खुलता है। हम्म। अब यहाँ देखो, ये भी आदमी देखो, दो ही डायरेक्शन में, ऊपर और नीचे। ओके ओके, you can see the elbow and knee joint are the two hinge joints. See the ball and socket joint. देखो यहाँ पर इस तरीके से होता है। एक देखो यहाँ, दिस इज बॉल, ये एक हड्डी आया और ऐसे गोला जैसा यहाँ पर रहा। ठीक है, और वो इसमें ऐसे आकर फिक्स कर गया, तो ये हो गया सॉकेट, और ये बॉल ऐसे इसमें मूव करता है सॉकेट। ठीक है, देखो यहाँ पिक्चर भी देख रहे हो कि बॉल और सॉकेट ज्वाइंट का। ठीक है, यहाँ देखो बॉल एंड सॉकेट ज्वाइंट, दिस इज द बॉल एंड दिस इज द सॉकेट। ये दोनों आपस में इस तरीके से एडजस्ट हो जाते हैं और ये मूव करते हैं। ठीक है, आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड द बॉल एंड सॉकेट ज्वाइंट। लेट्स प्रोसीड। Hip and shoulder are example of ball and socket joint. Let's see pivot joint. I told you, देखो pivot joint का यहाँ नट बोल्टू के जैसा होता है। देखो यहाँ पर फिर से इस तरह का पिवट ज्वाइंट होता है। The only pivot joint is this neck. Okay, up, down, left and right. It can move. I have already told you. That is gliding joint. Now, glid मतलब ऊपर ऐसे ऐसे रगड़ाना। ठीक है, let's see here, student. I have told you ligament. Ligament. What was the clue which I had given you? BBL, bone to bone ligament. It is a connective tissue. Okay, it is a connective tissue which connects the two bone together. बोन्स बाहर से दिखता नहीं है, एक्सरे का हम लोग हेल्प लेते हैं देखने के लिए। ठीक है, आई होप what is joint? Joint is a place where two bones are joined together. There are two types of joint: movable joint immovable joint. I hope there are 4 types of joints. I hope you would have understood it. Any problem to anybody? Any problem to anybody? Did you understood it? Did you understood it?
Sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.